Hello my crafty friends, this is Gail Davis from Horizon Hill Crafts, and I'm here to show you another completed junk journal. This one is horse themed, and it's a much smaller one than what I usually make. But for the cover is a piece of cardstock that looks like barnwood. And on the front, I layered it with some burlap, an old vintage doily, picture of a horse. Got some lace on the edge. We've got some metal book edges and a couple of charms hanging off the binding threads. And what we have inside is a pocket with an old vintage picture. I made a flat pen for writing. Take the little red tip off before you write. And there's a bulb pen hanging with a horse charm. Just slip it inside the pocket. And there's an old drawing of a horse. Okay. I used one of the horse junk journal kits from Paulette Slater on TLC Creates on Ko-fi, and she's also got a Facebook group. And 99% of the images that you see throughout the journal are from her Facebook group. And we have another vintage photo pocket with journaling card. And at the top of this page is a little stamp. That was there's a page of freebies, and I shrunk them down to make them little teeny stamps. And this is also some tea-dyed paper that I created. Then we have this cute little pocket with this quote. And inside the tuck spot is a journaling card. Page for notes and journaling. Another page from the horse kit. A pocket with a tag and a journaling card. More journaling space. 3D sticker with some poppies. I believe those are poppies. Another page from the horse kit. Another 3D sticker. Then we have a covered bridge. And another horse journaling card. And on this page I made a altered paper clip, and it's a banner. Represents a horse ribbon, I thought. And then book plate. Another pocket. Journaling card and a tag. This is an old vintage piece of school notebook paper. And I put those little stamps on various pages. Another journaling page. horse pocket. We have a tag. And we have a note, a clipboard that you can use for journaling. Another horse photo. And I made this little notepad with some vintage lace on it. And it's just got a few pages you can write on. I used some of that barnwood cardstock. Another horse pocket. It has a tag. And another journaling spot. Another 3D sticker. It's an oval horse frame. Another vintage journaling card. This tab has a bulb pin and a horse charm on it. Another pocket with a tent for camping. We have a tag. And we also have a journaling card. I just put a little mini bulldog clip on it. Another vintage photo with a horse picture. Then we have a walking bridge. Cut it out and put in a little different type of horses vintage description. We have another horse picture. And this has a tag. And this is too funny, but I guess you would call this a description of horses' asses. Not quite sure. All right. On this page, we got a little bling. Made a belly band. And inside the belly band, I just tucked in a little about this journal. You can put whatever you want under there. Okay. And we have another little image here. And we have another horse side tuck here. And I put in some list of things to write about in your journal. And there's another horse slide picture. Okay. Paper doily. The other side of that flower poppy page. More journaling spots. Another pocket with a saying. And I made this tag to tuck inside it. We got a piece of lace here. We got a paper doily here. And a bronze colored 3D sticker. And a vintage photo. Another page for writing. This paper is really pretty. Then we have a pocket and a tag and a journaling card. have a horse, a little side tuck, and it's a little inventory sheet. Another page from the kit, another horse pocket, and we have a couple of journaling cards inside, and the back cover. As you can see, we have 5 tabs, 3 charms. Again, I forgot to count how many pages are in here. But I thought she came out really cute for a rustic horse journal. And that's what I have for you today. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.